Hey there, I'm Mosig and welcome to my studio. Well, today I want to show you how to take your cotton fabric and make it into a canvas. So if you're ready, let's start. I took any old fabric. Okay, this one is cotton, but you have different qualities of cotton. So I'm not really sure what the quality on this is, but it does look like a medium weight. So I took that, I stretched it using these clamps. Okay, now the idea is to put gesso on this. What is gesso? This is gesso, if you notice, right? So what you do is you pour just a little bit here.
Can you buy gesso anywhere?
Yes. Yeah. Okay, so I'm using a 2-inch brush, okay, like a painter's brush. So what you do is sometimes you have to just kind of like do this, right? So to take away some of the bristles in the brush that's loose, because you don't want it to end up here on the canvas. Okay, so and then you go side to side like this. So now to speed up the process, what I do is I take a blow dryer, just go side to side. Okay, so this is the first layer of paint. If you notice, I really went thick. Okay, so now I'm feeling it. It's pretty dry. I mean, a little on the damp side. Yeah. See that? Okay, so now what you would do is another layer. So now this is my second layer, right? It sticks to the canvas. We're talking about the paint sticking to the canvas, by the way. This is the second layer, right? Now, if I take this off halfway, I just want to show you what you have. This is 2 layers, and if you notice, like if I do this, I don't know if you could see it, this is so soft, and this is already stiff. Do one more layer on this. One more layer, but I'm not going to waste your time. So usually 2 to 3 layers of gesso on a fabric is needed. Again, it's how thick your fabric is. Okay, so then what you have here is this. Take this apart. Okay, so this is our canvas now. Okay, and I can actually stretch this on my stretch bars. Please don't look at the proportion. You know, this is rectangular, this is a square, but you'll get the idea. So if I wanted to get the same bars, or make the bars first and then the fabric going on top of this with the right proportions, you can do that. So what I'll do is just to show you that. Okay, and then you stretch this, right? You stretch it, and then you put nails on the sides, and now you have your canvas, just like that. You see it? Yeah. So the back side obviously would be nailed. Okay, but I think it's very self-explanatory. Okay, so you have that, and when you stretch it, it will start looking like this. Okay, with the back side stapled. Yeah. All right, that's about it.